This is what adventure riding's all about, adventures. How come we always get into stupid weather shit in Canada Day? Whatever, 4 years ago, the tornado, and then your first ride in the rain back from Airdrie in the dark and the pouring rain. And hail out here.
Welcome to another video. Today me and Bill headed out west on Canada Day to scope out some possible new camping spots in the Ghost PLUZ, or Public Land Use Zone. Right here we are starting our journey heading west on the Fallen Timber Road or Burnt Timber Road. I can't remember which one it's called exactly. But we headed out west down this route to Highway 40, scoping out a couple spots along the way. And yeah, just kind of an overview of how the day went. This was Bill's first real adventure going on gravel, spending some actual time on some gravel roads. And it was actually my first time getting some real gravel time on the Africa Twin. So this is kind of the video of how the whole adventure went.
Yeah, I don't know what it's gonna be like out here. Looks a little slippy down there. I mean, you're kind of rating where like no one drives though. Bet you it's a little nicer up there. You scared him. That seems like a party kind of spot. It looks like a lot of the camping nodes aren't too busy on a Wednesday of Canada Day. Ooh, that washboard's nice. This road's got some decent little hills in it though. I don't want to say this way would be more trailer accessible than out from Water Valley. No, you know, you're intentionally trying to scare him. Well, I think it's somewhere like right by where you went. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's it. Well, I mean, at least see what's there. Oh yeah, this is a like one that you like back all the way into. It's a little muddy when it's wet. So is it working to try to convince you to come moto camping out here with me? Or just load up the bikes and cruise around and then find a spot and then stay a night and then jump on the bikes again and ride to somewhere else? I mean, like even like a weekend, like start down in Cochrane and end up coming out of Nordegg, just ride the whole like Highway 40 or something. I mean, that'd probably be down the road. You could probably start by just doing like, you know, ride half an hour or an hour just to get the feel for like setting stuff up, and then we're not like rushing. See how the systems work of tearing down and resetting up, and if it's wet and all that. I haven't thought about it at all. It's kind of nice that it's not like super hot today either. Looks like the Water's a little a little runny and dippy. My feet are very wet. That was a deep little runoff section. See, I don't know, I find riding out here is a little more interesting because you're like, you always got to pay attention than just like straight highway. I mean, you might not like cover as much ground or put on as many miles, but you don't really end up being bored very often. See, moments like that is where I need you to have a GoPro to mic on. Oh yeah, that was the, I don't know, that was one spot I remember seeing was this one. That was like the big open area. You got 600 meters. I think it's going to be on your right. Hill. I think this is the one that was like, it's on top of it. Traction control, don't do this. It's cutting out my power trying to go up the hill. So I'm not spinning. It's giving me like no power. I can see why people turn traction control off. I sat down so I could actually, I almost lost the back end of it. Traction control didn't save me there. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. I gotta get it on the GoPro, the thing, if I do make a video, get a thumbnail. The tire track's coming up. Looks like someone was spinning up here. Oh yeah, she's slick. You can lock up your back tire and keep sliding. Bill, I'm happy we're out here doing this. Makes me happy. Because I mean, a guy could do this all by himself, but it's like anything. It's more fun with at least, even like one other person makes a huge difference in like morale and chatting and complaining. You hit every single one of those. Yeah. Left a little ruddy. This bike is fun. I like the noises it makes. I'm hoping the overcast is just overcast and not wet. How wiggly is it? Or did you tighten it already?
I tightened it already.
Yeah, it's a... Is your shifter still tight? That's the problem I always had, is my shifter would get loose. So Bill's headset died, so now I'm back to talking to myself after a brief little rain stint. There's not very many people out here. I don't know, I thought the grass seemed shorter. Maybe the cows haven't been out here.
Maybe.
Or maybe just everything's growing so much because of the rain.
Maybe.
I don't know, I kind of like this spot if it wasn't wet.
Yeah. Oh, it's just a quick trip to the river.
You want to be careful what you're drinking on here, at this site.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Ooh, you were about to come over. I was like, yeah, I thought about that too on the way up here. You should drive your bike in there, see how deep it is. Turn into the KLR submarine. Tom. You're gonna have to look and see if we end up on the thing. This road doesn't feel quite as small on a motorbike, eh? Until you meet someone, then it feels kind of small. I don't know, out of curiosity, did you tell anyone where you were going today? Okay. Because other than you, I didn't really tell anyone. So as long as someone knows where we went. I mean, I don't foresee us having issues getting back from here, but never say never. Or whatever, Justin Bieber said that one time. But you know how hard you have to like go searching to find roads with like paved roads with corners? And then you just come out here and it's like there isn't a straight road. You just hang it under their roof. Then you took all the room. See, the rule is if we put on all the rain gear, it won't rain. This coat flaps against my helmet. It's only a little annoying. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna... I was kind of wondering with how wet this was that... I mean, it kind of tried hailing on us earlier for like half a second. Yeah, I go really easy through hail. It's really bad. Oh, yeah, this is a... This could really suck. The rain's feeling harder. Jeez. Yeah, see if you can get under like trees or something. Jesus. It's a little muddy down here too. Oh yeah. My feet are soaked. I can't see anything right now. I don't trust if my bike's gonna stay upright. Don't fall over. I don't know if there's any... there's barbed wire there. Hopefully my GoPro survives this. You look so depressed. We're just standing here by our bikes, we're getting wet. Bill, this is what adventure riding's all about, adventures. How come we always get into stupid weather Canada Day? Whatever, 4 years ago, the tornado, and then your first ride in the rain back from Airdrie in the dark and the pouring rain. And hail out here. I'll even be fancy and turn on my four-ways. They don't get rear-ended. Why is that? I thought it was getting lighter. Are we having fun? I can't even see your tracks from the hail that just... My groin is so very wet.
For some reason, after riding through the weather, I didn't have the foresight to record any kind of outro for this. The weather kind of caught us off guard. I mean, it was a relatively short little rain, thunder, hailstorm we went through, maybe 20 minutes, and then it started to get bright. It actually ended up being, by the time we got to the pavement towards Water Valley, the road was actually dry. But, yeah, I didn't have the hindsight to record an outro. I just kind of focused on trying to get home and get changed and get dry, because both of us were quite soaked after this. But hopefully you guys enjoyed a little bit of our adventure touring out on some gravel roads, scoping out some campsites, and running into some weather. Hopefully, we'll see you guys in the next video.